All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Hyundai Accent. It is the SE model, this gray with gray interior, AM/FM stereo system. It's got 1,800 miles. Beautiful vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage. Go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's hubcap. And let's check out your tire thread. Which is this old device here, which is at 9:30 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's side hubcap. And your tire thread is at 5:30 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump in this vehicle, turn on for you guys. It does come with 2 keys and 2 key fobs and owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. Switch your instrument cluster. Looks like you see no lights on, except for tire pressure and your mileage of 1,850. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Open up the gas tank on accident. Here's the your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. This is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious for a small door, for a small vehicle. Got your did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. You have a dent here, so we're gonna call it frame for that dent, so you guys can see and know. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap, and your tire thread here is at almost 10:30 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Here's your front fender. Here's your front hubcap. Front passenger hubcap. Tire thread, ow, is almost at 10. It's at 10:30 seconds almost. All right, folks, that pretty much completes the tour. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Hyundai Accent SE model with only 1,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.